Hi there, and welcome to this version of Bold Blog Introductions. My name is J.D. Hoovener. I'm the managing partner here at Bold IP, and it's March 7th. And you can see it's actually snowing right outside my window here in Seattle, Washington. So the weather is a little interesting. It's pretty fun today, so I'm bundled up. I wanted to do a quick introduction to the law firm in case this is your first time seeing us. And thank you, by the way, for tuning in. Our law firm is Bold Intellectual Property. We go by Bold IP, and we do focus on patent law, trademarks, copyrights, and trade secrets. We are a boutique law firm, and we're completely virtual. So we have saved a lot of the front costs and the overhead costs and decided to deliver that through value to you, the client. We're agile, business-minded patent attorneys. We partner with inventors and businesses to protect and leverage your intellectual property in the marketplace. I'll do a quick intro of a publication we did just last year. I wrote the book, Bold Ideas, The Inventor's Guide to Patents. It's a really easy read, and we are actually giving the book away for free at boldip.com. So order yours now. 3 blog articles we wrote just in the past week I want to do a quick introduction for. The first one is a great article written by Walker Weitzel, a patent attorney here at the firm. He wrote about how Tesla and Toyota, 2 really well-known car companies, have recently given away their patents. And Elon Musk in his famous 2016, all our patents belong to us, you may be familiar with. And I want to let you know, there's a lot more to read about in the article. From a high level, though, the idea is that the patents really are theirs indeed, and they decided to give them to the public to sort of generate more innovation. In order for an electric car or for a hydrogen technology for a car, which is what Toyota was all about, they need to get more innovation going in the country. And so they decided to give that innovation out to make sure that it doesn't quash or cool any of the innovation so they can get their products out. So it's a little bit self-motivated, but I like the spirit. And then we had a great article put out by Dan Trong, one of our research assistants, which is talking about Trump, and he had put quite a bit of work into his brand before becoming the president of the United States. And so it's really interesting to see that the president, before he became president, in building his empire, his Trump empire, had really taken interest and note of intellectual property. So we looked at the database and found that there's 700 trademark registrations for relating to the brand Trump. So it is a known, vetted, valuable way to protect your assets, to protect the brand that you're building. If you've got a business or a product, it's something you must do. The president says so. And so check that article out, written by Maki Imakura and edited by Dan Trump. The third article just got released today. It was put up one of our newer attorneys, Huda El-Jarrah, out of Houston, Texas. She did a great write-up on the different models of how to expedite a patent through the process. So there's 2 main ways to move a patent through the process. Well, there's 3, I suppose. The first is, of course, without filing any expediting, and it can take up to 2 to 3 years sometimes for more complex applications. By filing what's called the Track 1, you can read about that in the article. It's the most advanced way, the most expensive, I should say, way to try to get a response back quicker. There's also what's called expediting, and you can petition to expedite. Not quite as fast as Track 1, but a lot more cost effective. So if you're interested in moving your patent application forward and want to know the fastest way to move it ahead, read up on our article at boldip.com and check out our blog. All right, thanks for tuning in for this version of Blog Intros. My name is J.D. Hoovener with Bold IP. It's been a pleasure. Go big, go bold.